How to register onto vLink Hub. This short video will give you a step-by-step guide on registering onto vLink Hub, the new customer portal from vGroup International. Please visit vlinkhub.vgroupinternational.com through your preferred internet browser to access the platform. Click on the Register button at the top right hand of the screen and complete all the contact information, ensuring that you adhere to the password criteria. Insert the account code you require access to. If you are unsure what your code is, please refer to a previous invoice where it will be clearly shown. You will be able to add more account codes if required by pressing the plus button. Terms and conditions can be reviewed by clicking on the Terms and Conditions text. Now, confirm your acceptance of the T&Cs by ticking the box and click Register. You will now receive an email to request confirmation of your email address to ensure that your request is valid and genuine. Once you have confirmed, an email will be sent to you to advise that your request has been submitted to the administrator for your customer account, who will accept your request. On acceptance, you will receive a final email, confirming that you now have access and you are ready to view the orders as requested. Now, please log in using your email and password created. The landing page shows all orders pertaining to your account code. If you have access to multiple accounts, you can use the drop-down on the Account tab to view the relevant account code. Please remember that you are unable to place, amend or cancel orders through this portal. Please contact our customer service team by emailing sales@vgroupinternational.com or calling 0870 607 0198, who will be pleased to help.